Hello guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to look into the tweet that was made about 24 hours ago, that is yesterday, by the Lunagens official. Lunagens has been one of the teams that has been supporting the works and the project of the coredao, okay, right from its inception. All right, they have been a very great and strong team supporting this coredao's project. So about a day ago, they tweeted. They said here, "Thank you, icecreamswap." Okay, I'm reading from the screen. Thank you, icecreamswap, for the great work and making Luna token available on the coredao. Now, this is a very interesting news, guys. This is a very interesting news. Take a look at this place, and you see. Okay, look at this tweet. They said liquidity has been added to the pairs. That is, Lunagens against Core will be added soon. Okay, guys. Now, with this tweet here, what it means is that Lunagens has been listed on icecreamswap. Okay, icecreamswap has listed Lunagens on their platform against Core. So what it means is that with your Core, you can quickly buy or swap to get Lunagens. Okay, this is a very interesting news. Lunagens is not like every other shitcoin. It's not like every other shitcoin. It's more than a shitcoin. Okay, for those who may be interested or who would be interested to get one or two tokens of Lunagens. You can use your core if you have enough core, or if you want to use your USDT to swap to get your Lunagens, maybe using your Trustwallet or your Metamask wallet. Okay, so if you are willing to buy, you can simply go to your icecreamswap. When you get to your icecreamswap, you swap your core if you have core or your USDT against to get Lunagens. Okay. The interesting part here is you don't need your USDT now. Okay, since it has been listed against core, you can with your core buy Lunagens, and this is very interesting, guys. This is very interesting. So let us quickly go to MetaMask. Let's go to icecreamswap and see. All right. Okay, guys. So here I am in my MetaMask wallet. Okay, now if you want to buy Lunagens, with your core, you make sure you have at least one core and some fractions of core that will serve as your transaction charges. Now if you take a look here, I just bought this just some hours ago. Okay, now if you want to buy your Lunagens, you simply click on this menu button here on your MetaMask. When you click it, you click on your browser. I hope you can see it. Then when you click on your browser, on the search bar, you type icecreamswap.com. Okay, so let me quickly click on my browser. This is my browser option. Okay, now this is the icecreamswap dashboard. Okay, this is because I've searched for it before, but in your case it may not be the same. If you've not searched for it before, you can just simply click on the search bar here. When you click on search bar, okay, then on this place you type at the search bar, you type icecreamswap.com. okay, then you press your enter button. Once you press it, the icecreamswap dashboard will be displayed. Okay, guys, now as you can see here, if you've not connected your MetaMask wallet, you see this connect. Okay, now mine has changed. It changed automatically because before now I have connected my wallet, of which if I want to disconnect, I will just simply click on this button. Okay, when you click it, you see wallet, you see disconnect. Okay, hope you can see it. You see disconnect, you see wallet, you see recent transaction. Okay, before now I've already connected my wallet. So in your own case, you may just need to click on the connect wallet button so that you connect your wallet to it. Then here, this is the network section. Here we have different types of network: the BitGet, the Binance, the Core, Doge, Token, Fuse, and XDC. Okay, now make sure that you select the core network. Okay, mine already is selected. Then you click on trade. This is trade. You click on trade. I just click on trade. So let's wait for it to load. It's coming up. Okay, now this is it. All right, guys, this is it. So here already I have core here, so I want to swap core against to get Lunagens. All right, but as you can see here, we have ICE, that is Icecream token. So I'll just click on that arrow of ICE, then I will now look for Lunagens. Look at it. Take a look. I'm searching through. Okay, I'm searching through. Okay, it's not here. Okay, I'm trying to search for it. Okay guys, now so this is it. This is Lunagens. Now I bought it before, like I said. I have 1,255 pieces of it. Okay guys, now in your own case, you may not have any figure here, you may not have any figure there. So what you need to do is you just tap on this Lunagens. Okay, when you tap on it, it will appear here. Okay, it will appear here. So this is your core. Then if you have, let's say 1, 2, 3 core, depending on the number of core you wish to exchange or to swap to get your Lunagens, you just tap on this option here, on that space. When you tap it, you write, let's say you type, let's say 2 or 3, that is if you have enough. Okay, let's say 2 core. I want to use 2 core to swap to get Lunagens. Now guys, if I swap 2 core, I'm going to get 2,407 Lunagens. Okay guys, so if you want to buy, depending on the number of core you wish to swap to get Lunagens, you just type it at the option. Then once that is done, you click on here. This button will change to swap. Then you swap. Okay guys, you swap. It's very, very simple. Okay, now it's because I do not have enough core. I just have 0.8 core. That is why here you see insufficient core balance. Okay, but let me just try something out here. Let me say I want to buy 0.5 since I have 0.8 already. Okay, now 0.5 core will give me 605 Lunagens. So what I will need to do now, if I want to buy it, I'll just simply click on swap. Okay, so for the purpose of this video, let's try 0.1 core. Okay, to give me 120 Lunagens. This is 0.1 core that I just typed, and this is what I'm going to get. So simply I'll just click on swap. So I'll click on swap, click on confirm swap. Okay, and then wait for it to load. Make sure you have a little balance that will serve as your transaction fee. Okay, so I'll click on confirm. Remember, I used to have 1,255, I think, yeah, 1,255. Now the transaction has been submitted, and the transaction is successful. So guys, that is how to buy it. Now when I go back to my wallet, okay, this is the button I just clicked. Okay, when I go back to my wallet, I'll now click on wallet. Okay, then you see that this value has increased. That means the 0.1 core which I just exchanged gave me a few number of Lunagens, which has been added up to the initial 1,255 thereabouts core that I have. Okay guys, sorry for that background noise. So that is how to purchase, that is how to buy core. Lunagens. That's how to use core to buy Lunagens or any other coin at all that has been listed against core and Icecreamswap. Okay guys, now having said that, sorry for that call. Now I'll be taking some of the questions some persons have asked me. Okay, some persons have asked me some questions recently, and I wish to take those questions before the end of this video. Okay, now here I am in my YouTube channel. Okay, this is the last video I posted on this platform, on this channel, before this current video. Okay, I'm going to take these questions one after the other. Okay, because in most of my videos I've been receiving likely questions, so I've decided to give responses to some of those questions, especially the one of this video, the last video. Now Bola Grace asked 2 days ago, how or where can we get a contract address of a token? How shall we know the time to buy? Well, as for this particular video, the contract address already, I have dropped it here. This is the contract address. Okay, if you need contract address, you can just chat me up, okay, on my WhatsApp group. I'll drop the link in the description of this video. Okay, whatever token at all you need, its contract address, you chat me up on WhatsApp. I'm going to send it to you. Okay guys, but for this particular video, the contract address already is here, so you just need to just copy it and do with it whatever you wish. All right, then the second question I wish to take here is from Sarah Hamedi. He said, do my core token in testnet have any value? Can I sell them at all? I would appreciate if anyone replied my question. Well, the core token in testnet, that should be your testnet core. Okay, it has no value at all. Okay, it is different from the core tiger, which I introduced to you guys in the last video before this very one. Is different from core tiger. So that testnet core is simply meant for testnet activities and nothing else. Okay, it has no value at all. Can I sell them at all? You cannot sell them because it is valueless. It's only meant for the purpose of testing the core chain, the activity, just to ensure how perfect the mainnet will be. Okay, that is just for the purpose and nothing else. Okay, now I will take this. I think this should be the last question here. Excuse me. Okay, from Mercy. This is Mercy Chioma 5 days ago. Okay, although I've responded to you, but I also wish to explain more. Please, is this TCORE, that is the Tiger Core, the same with the TCORE in SATOSHI App? No, they are different. Okay, this TCORE is well, I can say it's a shit coin that has been listed just like every other coin. It has been listed on core blockchain, okay, which is different from the testnet core. Okay, the short form of both coin is TCORE. Okay, but this TCORE, the first is for Tiger Core, that is the real token that you can exchange. Okay, you can trade that very one to get profit, but the other TCORE is just for the testnet. Okay, it's just for testnet. So guys, this is the last question I'll be taking in this video. This is the last question. If this is your first time of visiting my YouTube channel, quickly click on the subscribe button to subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have any question at all, drop your comments at the comment section. Drop your question at the comment section as well. Okay, now if you want to buy Lunagens, I'm going to drop the Icecream swap link. Okay, I'm going to drop the link in the description. Okay, so that if you have core and you wish to swap to Lunagens, you can just do that easily. So guys, I hope to see you in my next video.